What a great day to go outside and not talk to a woman today. This beautiful fall weather, guys. It's beautiful fall weather. Looks just gorgeous. All right, kick it. I love gasoline. So I guess while we let the car warm up, we'll kind of tell you what we're doing today. This is gonna be a normal vlog today, kind of just a day in the life. Not really gonna be a well-earned video. We're bored, so we're bored vlogging today. That's what we're doing. A couple of things. We're gonna go to Canadian Tire. We're gonna grab some oil for Hunter, throw some 5W30 in there for winter, do an oil change. Then Tyler's gonna come over. We're gonna do a Cobb FPR install, which will take us like 10 or 15 minutes. Kind of walk you guys through how to do that. And then I don't know, I guess we'll go to the shop, do the oil change, and throw on some new Grimmspeed gaskets for the Tomei headers, because I think the Tomei gasket's blue.
It's me here.
Oh, really? What's up?
I want McDonald's.
Oh, he wants McDonald's.
Quarter pounder cheese and 6 nuggets.
Quarter pounder cheese and 6 nuggets? You got it.
You can do that.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye. What's that? That's my stepdad there who owns a shop we work at, but that's instead of paying for our $8 and what was it, 86-cent oil filter McDonald's meal, fuck it, we'll do that. Jesus Christ. So yeah, I guess today's oil change, header gasket day, random day in the life, and McDonald's for an oil filter day. I don't know, we'll probably get food or something, maybe just hang out, I don't know. We'll find something to do, but today's just gonna be a cool little day in the life. Oh, that dog is not pleased. Oh shit. That dog does not like the car. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, we're gonna grab some oil. We'll come back in a bit. I don't think we're allowed to film in the store. Fuck it, we'll run the Ultra Platinum. It's just winter oil. We just want 5W30 instead of 40. So it'll do. Oil's oil at the end of the day. I don't think it's worth to pay for 5W40 Motul or Rotella right now. It's just no point. But out of curiosity, we're just gonna see how much 5W40 burned off in this thing since the last change. Yeah, it is gonna be hot. What do you think? It's how many Ks are on this car?
One rolled over two. It's probably like 2.1, 212, the 201.
212,000.
201.
Or sorry, 201,000. When was the last oil change?
Probably 4,000 K ago.
So this car has 200,000 kilometers on it, and
It doesn't burn.
it doesn't burn oil.
Neither did the Accord on fucking 400,000.
Subarus are unreliable though, boys. Subarus are unreliable. Remember that. That is crazy. That's an MBRP exhaust. What up, pussy? Damn. Damn. Couple of goodies. Oh, dude, the turn signals look great. Those are good. What's up? You ready?
Sure.
Let's do it. Pop the hood. So I'm not helping you with any of this. I'm going to tell you what to do, but you're doing it all. All right, so. Okay. So this here. Okay, so this here, this is a fuel line tool. You're going to need this. This is from Company 23. Shout out Company 23. It's just fuel line tools just to get them off. I already got you a T-fitting and extra vacuum hose. I don't know if I gave you some in the box. What we got? That's our Cobb FPR. Is your vacuum line? There it is. Okay, whatever. But that's what we'll need. So, right? Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. Black is your feed. Comes across the top. That's your feed. Gray, as you can see, that's the return. The whole point of this is to put it on the return line, and the feed has a direct right to the rail. So we're gonna pull fuel pump fuse. Ugh. All right, start it. This is why we like the old STI wing. This is great. This just holds everything. This literal whole system here is gonna come out. So it doesn't really matter how we get it out, it just has to get out. So you got the fuel line tool, put it in here and slide this one off.
I like this a lot.
I believe in you, Tyler, I believe. Oh shit.
That's okay. That's why I wore this hoodie, man. That's my fucking get dirty hoodie.
Okay, you should be good now. I don't know why it didn't depressurize fully, but anyways, whatever.
How about the fuse is okay?
It's just gas. It'll evaporate in like 30 seconds. I guarantee by the time this is out, it's all gone. Okay. Did you just rip ass?
It's gas too.
Dude.
Yep.
And... Uh-oh. A little bit of gas everywhere, but oh well. That's your OEM FPR. These things suck. That's good. That's good. What are you doing? Alright. I'll tell you how many times we're going to prime this thing. Any leaks? One more time. Good. One more time. Think we're good? Fuck yeah.
I like this.
Oh, the
The
idea.
infotainment system?
Yeah.
The I-doing unit? Yeah, that's good.
The like classic Subaru rumble.
Yeah, the MBRP exhaust sounds really good in here actually. I don't know how well it picks up on camera, but like it definitely sounds good, which is like nice.
And then you got me and Craig.
Yeah, then you got me and Hunter just absolutely obnoxious. It was funny when I met Tyler off Reddit, he messaged me on Instagram and goes, yeah, she got an exhaust put on, it's MBRP, really stupid loud. And I was just thinking like, oh yeah, yeah, right, right, yeah. It is great. Like, don't get me wrong, when you get on it, it's great. But like, do you feel a difference?
Would there be a difference?
It's car, I drive.
It get rid of the fuel stumble at like 26 to 2800 RPM. So to me, the shifts feel smoother. I don't know, but maybe you're just shifting good today. Could be that.
It's just a good day.
Yeah.
I took my meds.
Right?
It was like me yesterday. Full tank of gas and I was ripping. That was fun.
Hunter's blown away at the new chassis. How it shows the boost on the dash.
I am. Who needs a boost cage when you got one on your dash?
No fine knockler or feedback there. I just want to point that out. There was none. Did you see that? There's none. You need a standard?
Yeah.
I know, right? Are you sure you want to sell the bike guy?
I don't know.
Hunter saw the dash and he saw the video and he's like, I don't know. Come on, Hunter. A little 20G. Little 20G front mount 1050X setup, that'd be fun.
Maybe I'll go to Subaru and trade the O2 in for like $4,000. If they may give me $3,000 for it, then I'll go buy one of these.
Dude, a little 20G 1050X setup, front mount just for fun, dude, that'd be fun. Probably get it done within like 8 or 10 grand.
Just 8 or 10 grand.
Well, what's wrong with that? It's nothing. That's chump change. Fuck, I love Subarus!
The best part about that was so nonchalant driving with your hand on the bottom. It was.
You was on the bottom of the wheel right there?
It was just like this.
You are never racing with us.
Like,
We stood a fucking pull him, but he's got his hand at the bottom of the fucking wheel. Like, holy shit. Yeah, not even like on the side or near the top, right at the fucking bottom. Like, shit.
Pull him down, not fall off.
Fuck, I was ready to go off the road, and he's like, oh, you know, just dilly-daddling. Like, fuck. Thanks for the ride, dude.
Thanks for the install.
Yeah, anytime. Welcome to
Give me your vapes
Subaru
red and
Tutorials
white.
with Cray. What?
Even his vapes red and white.
Dude, fucking Christ. Subaru drivers and their fucking vapes. Alright. God bless you. See you another time, Captain.
Hey, boys.
Have a good one. Are my keys? All right, boys, it's time to go. About to go do some work for a little bit, and oh, header time.
It's not too bad right now.
It's not good though.
No.
I'll show the other side. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Well, it's weird that that's happening though, and you're not burning oil. Like if you look at your internal. But I take it those valve seal covers never done. So you guys see there, there's definitely oil on stuff. Where's those studs? This stud was pretty oily. This is actually an up-pipe stud. This just got the nut on it still. Those are pretty oily. This one, yeah, that one. It's probably because the valve seal cover's never been done, unless they're just loose. But that's not.
We tighten them.
Are we good?
It looks okay.
Let's see. Watch out. Remember, hand tight, not shop tight. Get her on there nice and snug.
Well, how snug? Like movable still, or?
Like snug. You want it snug tight, because you can always get them off, but you want it snug tight so oil doesn't leak. Gasket time. I'll let you unbox these, okay? Hydrate. Oil time.
Torque.
I'll be honest, we probably have too many fiberglass cuts to be healthy. I think I even swallowed some. I think I feel it on my skin. It's been a good day.
Shite.
Done.
We're done? Let's go take it for a rip. You mean to tell me the reason we've been stuck here and can't back out of the bay is because you decided to turn your fucking Porsche into a fucking Highlander? What the fuck is this?
It's a great ball wheel now.
Look at this fucking license plate. Look at the license plate.
That's sick.
Well, I already had insurance on this. I actually want to put it back on the 951. This car, I mean, all biz is the 951.
That's actually low-key badass. Come on, pussy. I think that's a pretty good spot to call the video. Hope you guys all enjoyed kind of the day in the life. And
Just put this by your foot here.
I hope you guys all kind of enjoyed the day in the life and the, yeah, I don't know, insight to what we kind of do. Yeah, Hunter, how's the car?
Good, better.
Perfect. That's what we want to hear. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and we'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Fish. Peace out.